Chances are if you've done a repair, you've more than likely lost screws or ended up with some extra parts. It's a terrible feeling to find out you've missed a step and may have to start over to get it right, so we created the Magnetic Project Mat to help you keep your repairs simple and organized. iFixit's Magnetic Project Mat was designed by fixers for fixers and will catch and hold all your screws as you remove them from a device. This allows you to worry less as your screws and parts will remain where you leave them. Included with the mat is a top-of-the-line Line Staedtler pen. You can use it to keep track of the steps during the process, and if you make a mistake, you can use the eraser tip to make corrections. You can also draw exactly where the screws came from in the device. From using a couple of boxes on quick phone fixes to using the whole mat on more complicated repairs, this mat is essential for a near-perfect reassembly process. Once you're all done with your repair, just grab a cloth and give the whole thing a wipe, and it's ready for your next fix. Organization means everything during a repair, and using iFixit's Magnetic Project Mat to map out steps and keep screws organized is a great way to achieve that. Get yours today at iFixit.com.